Hallo und herzlich willkommen hier zurück bei The Walking Dead. Ja, das geht. Was? Ja, komm. Was? Ich sehe nichts. Da. So. Oh. Ah. Die Hand habe ich jetzt nicht gesehen. Was nun?
Get ready to fight.
This place seems sturdy to me. I think we're fine.
Sturdy my ass! Get upstairs!
Go!
Okay. Oh, das ist, das war doch,
Guys, help me with this!
Leute, helft mir. Komm schon! Komm schon! Rück das Ding vor! Na komm!
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
What do we
Verflixt.
do now? This will slow
Machen
him
wir
down.
jetzt.
We get
Naja.
to the end of the hallway and take a fucking stand.
Na komm her, Kenny. Wir sind wieder alle
Can't let
zusammen.
ourselves
Bitte,
get trapped.
keinen Fall
Let's get
in
as
die
many
Falle.
as we can. And when we see an opening, we go for
Dann
it.
versuchen wir
How many bullets y'all have?
3.
5.
5,
4.
4,
2.
2.
You all know where to aim.
Get ready.
Seid bereit. Ah. Wie viele Kugeln habe ich? 5, 4, 3, 2. Drei. Ich habe keine Kugeln mehr.
I'm out!
Me too. Fuck. Where do we go? There's no goddamn opening.
Up!
Ab. Ja, auf. Los.
Go!
Bam. Boah, Leute. Ja, jetzt verlierst du die Waffe auch noch. Na super. Oh.
Here, I'm not good with these. You dropped it down there.
Du kannst mit dem nicht umgehen. Dann wäre es aber mal Zeit, das
That
zu
could have
lernen.
gone better.
Everyone okay?
Lee's still bitten.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, we're not going out through this window. No latches, no roof access, and 30 feet straight down.
Anyone have any ideas?
I bet this guy would. He's got a resourceful air about him.
Knock it off.
Dixon Kent III. Industrial...
Need?
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
We need solutions, not stupid jokes.
Ach komm jetzt. Witze sind immer
I'm
gut.
sorry.
So, no ideas then.
There's gotta be another way.
Check the floor for any other access, a vent, anything.
Or we wait for the house to clear out and stick to the high ground. Whoa, Lee, you okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to just...
Fuck. Lee. Geht's echt nicht gut.
Lee, I'm okay. I'm really paranoid. No.
Lee, get up! Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
What did that mean?
She's at the hotel, where her parents were staying. He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point. We don't know.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know. I don't get it.
I do.
Stop it! We can't panic!
How long do you think we have?
Was glaubst
What?
du? Was? Ich? Keine Ahnung.
I don't know.
Maybe I should have made you cut it off.
You could have cut it off?
Yeah, there were tools. Lee didn't want to.
Well, you didn't, and it's too late now.
I think we need to have an adult conversation about what happens if Lee takes another spill.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
He looks fine to me.
I think it'd be best if we just worried about getting to Clem right now.
We're not going to do her any good if you've attacked us.
That isn't gonna happen.
How do you know that?
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Lee, I'm not advocating anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
Oh, I'm really glad I got you looking out for me. For Clem. This is just fucking great.
Relax, Lee.
This is getting out of hand.
You're gonna listen to me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you, because I haven't given up everything to die because we were stupid.
I'm sorry, okay? Fuck, we can't do this!
We're gonna have to.
Ah!
You ruined that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
Ich habe gerade den Ausweg gefunden.
It's corroded to hell.
What's on the other side of this wall? A 30-foot drop?
No, this mansion butts up against the one next door.
Redet nicht, sondern
I'll be
macht
damned.
was. Mann.
This wall ain't shit.
Is this really possible?
Ich habe jetzt nicht gelesen, verstanden, was gesagt hat. Irgendwas
Yeah,
muss sein.
we can
wir
do
können es
this.
schaffen.
Okay.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
I wasn't gonna hurt you.
Sure, pal. I know.
Okay.
Can't believe you didn't tell us you were bitten.
I didn't want to scare anyone.
Because you were scared yourself.
I've been bitten by a walker.
You thought we'd turn on you.
Sure.
You were scared. I don't blame you.
I would be scared shitless.
Wish you would have taken it off.
Don't think it matters much now. I'm losing a lot of feeling in it.
Really?
Yeah, it's hot, like when you break a bone. But tingly, like it's asleep.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
We figure out who he is, and why he's doing this. We can rescue Clem, but she won't be safe if this guy's not gonna stop.
So, did your crew get into any shit before you met up with us?
Is it possible to have survived and not gotten into some shit?
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that?
I'm bitten, Krista. We all know that's a wrap.
There's gotta be something.
Kenny, nein.
I want you guys to take her.
Stop it.
I'm serious. She'd be safe and relatively happy with you two.
We're not doing this right now.
Krista, listen to him.
It's what I want, okay?
What about him?
We gotta support him. He's only a kid still. It's easy to forget that.
He loses shit like that often?
Nah, that was a first.
It's good that he did. Kenny couldn't pull that shit on me.
The kid killed his family, so there's been some tension there.
Really? What happened?
Kenny's son got bitten during a raid by some gang that Ben was secretly helping. They used him. Kenny's wife died because of their son.
Jesus.
Well, seems like it got through to Kenny. Whatever that's good for.
All right. I'm out of gas. You look good and rested.
Sure, if you don't count an infected leg.
You want me to do it?
Nah, hun, you can hop in after me.
Shouldn't be long now. It's good we're forced to take a breath. Heard you guys giving Lee some hell about hiding his bike.
Yeah, of course.
I'd have done the same thing.
How are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I'm sorry. You've lost more than anyone. Well, as much as anyone.
It'll be all right, kid.
Why are you acting like what's happened ain't happened? Anyway, I appreciate it from both of you. A lot of us have lost families.
Es wird alles wieder gut. Ich weiß nicht, der hat die Familie. Du hast ja recht.
He wanted to die in Crawford
What's that now?
when I had him there in my hand. He wanted me to drop him. He asked me to.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
I'm glad it was you making that call and not me. This guy tell you much about what we've been through?
Bits and pieces.
Before y'all, we had this woman, Lily, with us. Lord knows where she is now. Anyway, we had to make some tough calls with her dad. She came between Lee and I pretty good. And I spent a lot of nights hating this guy's guts.
It's all water under the bridge. All we can do is move forward.
Well, cheers.
Ja, komm, Schluck schadet nicht. Komm, ein Schluck. Alter, Alkoholklon? Hilfe?
I'm
Kelly?
through!
Ich bin durchgekommen.
No walkers. Things are looking up.
Okay. Ich hätte jetzt auch nicht gewusst, was wir noch mehr reden sollen.
Everyone keep a goddamn eye out.
Okay. Was ist das? Geheimbüro, Versteck.
This place seems pretty sealed off. Well,
Oh. Ach du Scheiße. Das sind die Eltern vom Jungen, den wir vergraben haben. Wir haben...
Smart. Think of all the people we've seen go. They got to do it their own way. Together.
Don't you say that. You stick it out as long as you can. You do whatever you have to. I could have done more.
You did everything you could.
No, Lee.
Doch.
I could have been a better husband, better father, could have been a better friend. So let's figure out a way out of here. Get that little girl.
We should move.
yeah.
Got at least one shot left.
Let's clear the room before we move on. Lee, figure out where we're headed.
Ja, so war's eigentlich auch gedacht. Nein. Wir haben am Schreibtisch vielleicht was? Nein.
The streets are full.
Straße sind voll.
Hundreds of them.
Hunderte. Ja, reden tun wir nachher. Ich kontrolliere erstmal die Gegend.
Lee, you okay?
Yeah.
Ja,
Let's keep at it.
am Ball bleiben. Ja, ja. Kein Thema. Machen wir schon. Das ist die Tür, ja, das ist ein Bild. Schauen wir mal Bilder an, bei Katastrophenzeiten.
What do you
auch
call
mal
this thing?
Was ist ein Spiegel?
Art?
Kunst. Okay. Ja, okay.
Hard to believe the world
Kein
once felt
Vorstellung,
this
dass die
peaceful.
Welt mal so friedlich war. Ja, das kann ich unterschreiben. So, wir reden mal mit der
I
Frau,
guess
mit
Crawford
der
would have gotten
einzigen
them
Frau.
anyway.
Okay, dann reden wir mit ihrem Freund, Mann, Schatz, wie auch immer, was er zu sagen hat.
It's sick, but think of all the pain they avoided.
Ja, da hast du allerdings recht. Ben,
You still with us, Spit?
Yeah, Lee. I just want to help.
indem du aus dem Fenster schaust. Oh, gut. Viel findest du ja hier eigentlich nicht.
Don't ask me how I'm doing. Let's just keep going.
Ich wollte nicht fragen, ich wollte wissen, ob du was gefunden hast. Ich weiß nicht. Soll ich? Nee,
House is full too. Stay quiet.
ich lass das mal lieber. Oh, da haben wir noch ein Bild.
Judging by the decor of this room, I guess they were PBS watchers.
Hey, my parents' house looked a lot like this. And they watch kung fu movies. Just saying.
Ich meine ja nur. Ja, ist okay. Balkontür, wir schauen mal da raus, weil das ist, glaube ich, unsere
Might be
einzige
the way out.
Ausgangslösung. Oh. Fuck.
Nothing other than personal items in here.
Looks like we can stay off the streets all the way to River Street if we're careful.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Willst du jetzt echt, dass ich da rüber springe? Du weißt schon, das geht. Ja, ich weiß aber nicht, ob das Ding wirklich hält. Komm, Lee, hilf doch den Leuten. Ja, hallo. Stehen einfach nur da. Oh oh. Ich glaube, Ben wird es nicht schaffen. Spring, Ben! Spring! Spring! Ben? Ben?
Me and my fucking mouth.
Holy fuck! What are we gonna do?
Kenny and I can handle this.
Dude, let me help you. You're already hurt.
Even more reason we all don't need to risk it. You worry about her. And if all this goes bad, you might be Clementine's last hope.
We'll keep an eye out.
Bleibt einfach in der Nähe von uns.
Ow! I'm okay.
Ja, ja, den Eindruck machst du auch. Hattest eine weiche Landung.
I'm okay. Just get me out of here.
God damn it, Ben!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, just don't panic. We're gonna get your ass up.
Really? I thought you...
Ach du Scheiße.
Fucking hell.
What is it? I'm okay. I'm okay.
Nein.
We can get you up. We can,
Ow! Oh, God!
If he'd be quiet, then maybe. But Kenny, this is fucking serious. He could die just by moving him wrong.
I won't move.
Ben!
Und da kommen die Walkers.
Fuck!
Und da kommen die Walkers. Ich glaube, Ben...
Oh God, don't let them get to me.
Do you have any bullets left? This has only got one left in it.
I'm out.
Shit!
Nimm die letzte Kugel und erschießt
Get the
Ben.
fuck out of here.
What?
Go back! She needs you, Lee.
Kenny!
This is not a discussion!
Hell no, man! I'm not leaving!
What did I just say?
Let's get Ben and get out of here!
Ben holen, das ist sowas von schwachsinnig, Lee.
What
Kenny.
the fuck, Kenny?
Lee, it's okay.
Nichts ist okay.
No, Ken. No, it's not!
It's just something I gotta do. You know that.
Was musst du tun? Dich opfern. Du kannst dich nicht opfern, es sind zu viele.
Go get that girl. Back, you sons of bitches!
Damn it, Kenny! Ah! God damn it!
Kenny!
Oh fuck!
Nein, Kenny! Kenny! No! Das hätte nicht so sein müssen, Kenny. Fuck.
What happened?
Was ist passiert? Kenny hat sich unnötig geopfert. Keine Ahnung, was er damit bezwecken wollte. Es waren doch eindeutig zu viele. Und ja.
I tried to help.
What the
Ben?
fuck happened?
Ben war sowieso.
There
Mit
was
dieser
just too
Verletzung.
many of them. Ben was really messed up and I don't know. There's nothing else. God damn! God!
I heard a shot.
Kenny made sure that Ben didn't feel any more pain than he had to.
What?
It was Ben's biggest fear, you know. Kenny had one bullet and that's how he used it. God, poor fucking kid.
Aber Kenny hätte nicht draufgehen müssen. Nicht so.
You saw them die?
Nobody was getting out of there.
I'm sorry, Lee.
He wasn't a bad guy. A lot of folks might not have always agreed. Maybe even me.
We should go.
Right behind you.
Ich folge dir. Vielleicht kennst du dich hier aus. Ja. Kenny hätte jetzt nicht sterben müssen, wenn ihr mich fragt.
Do you want to talk?
Kenny was my friend.
Soon as someone dies, they don't immediately have to have their sins forgiven.
He was what passes for a friend now.
I understand. Look, Lee, this is a shitty time, but I want to clear something up.
What is it?
Now with Kenny gone, means Omid and I have to stay safe. For her.
Yeah, you do. Let me take all the risks.
That's not what I mean, necessarily.
It's what I mean. It's what we gotta do.
Fuck! Be careful across here.
Ja. Wie es weitergeht, werdet ihr in der nächsten Folge sehen. The Walking Dead. Ich verabschiede mich und verarbeite das mit Kenny und werde schauen, wie der Weg noch weitergeht. Bis dahin. Tschüss.